Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nuri Utami and I'm from Major Pharmacy, Faculty Pharmacy, University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta, Central Java. I'm ready to join competition Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2023. In this nice occasion, I want to talk about one of the important points of SDGs. SDGs are Sustainable Development Goals have a nice purpose to improve well-being people in the world, especially in our country. There are 17 points of SDGs, such as quality education, gender equality, good health and well-being, and many more points of SDGs. As a pharmacist and also I'm Duta Jamaman from Lokapom Surakarta, I'm interested with one of the topic that is good health and well-being. This is because health is so important for us. We can do anything if our body healthy. But we cannot do anything if our body unhealthy, such as go to school, go to university, and many more activities. So health is so important for us. Ladies and gentlemen, in our country there are several kinds of medicines. One of them is traditional medicines. Traditional medicines are ingredients in the form of plants, animals, or a mixture of this material which have been used for generation treatment and also can be applied in accordance with the norm society. So, this is definition of traditional medicines. In our country, there are three kinds of traditional medicines. The first is jamu, which is the effect based on empirically experience. The second is OHT, or in Indonesian language, that is obat herbal terstandar, which is the effect based on preclinical tests. And for the last is phytopharmaka, which is the effect based on preclinical tests and also clinical trial. In our country, traditional medicines is one of favorite medicines. This is because many people in our country believe that if we consume traditional medicines, have a little side effect and have many benefits. So this is the reason why traditional medicines is one of favorite medicines in our country. The increasing interest in traditional medicines, of course, can be an opportunity for sellers. Meanwhile, nowadays, we can see that so many sellers are abusing by adding BKO, or in Indonesian language, that is bahan kimia obat. Based on Lokapom Surakarta, there are 6,452 products contain BKO in 2022. We should know, based on per capita from our country, mention that the function of traditional medicines to take care of health, not to cure various types of disease. Okay. Why the product contains BKO? This is because many sellers want to make traditional medicines have a false effect, so they will be add BKO to the product and then many buyers will be returned to buy the product without knowing that the product contains BKO. Ladies and gentlemen, from this, I want to give you, if we consume BKO, we have disadvantage for our body. The first is moon phase effect, due to consumption dexamethasone or prednisone without doctor's advice. The second is infarct myocardial due to consumption sildenafil citrate without doctor's advice. And for the last is liver damage due to consumption too much paracetamol. So from this disadvantage, I want to give you the features a product contain BKO. The first is the effect are very fast, or in Japanese language called this is cespleng. The second is product are claimed to cure various types of disease. And for the last is if you look closely, there are so many grains or crystal which is chemical age. So from this, I want to give you tips how to choose traditional medicine safe. The first is we can do by check click. Check click like this, the symbol formal from our BPOM. The first is check packaging, and then check label, check number license, and for the last is check expired. After we can do check click, we can also using application from BPOM our country. The name is BPOM Mobile. We can use this application only download in our Play Store or App Store, and then we can use this application whenever and wherever you are. Ladies and gentlemen, from this I hope we can choose safe traditional medicines and stop BKO, be a smart buyer. I'm Nuri Utami. That's all my speech, and I'm sorry for making mistake. I hope my speech can give benefits for us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.